Hey there, welcome back to Starting Monday. Today we have a delightful treat for you. We're going to make some mouth-watering chocolate peanut butter cookies. These cookies are gluten-free, vegan, and they require just a few simple ingredients. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's make sure to gather the following ingredients. 3/4 of a cup of coconut flour, 2 cups of peanut butter, smooth or crunchy based on your preference. I use smooth. 1/2 cup of maple syrup, or any liquid sweetener you prefer, and 2 cups of non-dairy chocolate chips. I used Lily's chocolate. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, combine the coconut flour, peanut butter, and maple syrup. Mix well until all ingredients are fully combined. You can use a spoon or your hands to ensure everything is thoroughly mixed. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into balls using your hands. Place the balls on the lined baking tray or platter. Press down gently on each ball to flatten it into a cookie shape. To add a classic touch, use a fork to create a crisscross pattern on each cookie. Transfer the tray of cookies to the freezer and let them firm up for about 30 minutes or until they're solid. Chilling them in the freezer will help the cookies maintain their shape and texture. While the cookies are chilling, melt the dairy-free chocolate chips. You can do this using a double boiler or by microwaving the chips in short bursts in the microwave, stirring them until they're smooth. Using 2 forks, dip each cookie into the melted chocolate, making sure to coat it completely. Allow any excess chocolate to drip off before placing the cookie back on the lined tray. Repeat this process for all the cookies. Once done, refrigerate the cookies until the chocolate coating is firm. And there you have it, delicious and indulgent chocolate peanut butter freezer cookies. These treats are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while being gluten-free and vegan-friendly. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes. If you have any questions or want to share your own variations, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tasty creations on Starting Monday. See you next time!